BiBi and the tractor unit. It's a little gloomy and rainy today. This is a tractor unit. It has a large engine and it carries loads. This guy is very tough. After rain, the road got all mushy and soft. Too bad our friend's tires are worn off. That's why he's stuck and can't get out. It looks like we need some professional mechanic help over here. These tires won't do any good.
Bibi's workshop is so neat. Cars are here, clean so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. Bibi's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. Here is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. Bibi fixes all disorders. Bibi.
Oh, hey there! How can I help ya?
And so the tractor unit told BiBi his story.
Oh no! We've got to help! I see. Your tires are worn out. We need to fix you up. I think I've got just the type you need. Alrighty. Now it's time to try some new ones.
Come on guys, let's help BiBi choose the right tires. So what should we pick?
These are bicycle wheels. We shouldn't use them. They'll break. Let's try and find something else. Oh, those would look well on a wooden cart. Not much use in a huge truck, though. Very well. These are just what we've been looking for. Now with these new tires, you can carry any type of load.
Wait a minute, you're not going anywhere until you're nice and clean. You shouldn't ride around all dirty like that. It's no good for your motor, you know.
It's so nice to be clean. Let's wash you real quick. Alright, what should we choose?
Let the cleaning commence. How original.
Oh no, we can't wash it with that.
How about a cup of tea?
We can have it with some cookies, but it won't get our pal clean.
What about this?
Well, sure. That's just what we've been looking for. Our job here is done. Now you can go back and build some stuff. Good luck.
We did great today, you guys. The tractor unit went back to work and he's as good as new. Great job! Keep it up!